This is how you remove a SIM card on your iPhone. If you still have your iPhone box and the instruction manual, there's a little gizmo, looks like a little key stuck in there. And you might be wondering what that is. It's got a little pointy end and a big oval part that you can hold on to. That is for removing SIM cards. I don't know where mine is right now, so I'm just going to use a toothpick. No, that's not a toothpick, a paperclip. You can also use a toothpick. You could use a safety pin, just anything small and pointy. And you want to find a hole in the side of the phone. Mine is right here. It's like a hole, and then there's like a big elongated oval shape. So I get that even better on screen there. That's the hole right there. You want to stick the end of the safety pin in there, or whatever it is, toothpick, not toothpick, geez, paperclip in my case. And you got to push it in pretty hard, and that little tray pops out. Little warning appears on the phone saying no SIM available. And you pry this out with your nails. And that's your SIM card. Right there. Pop that out. You can pop a new one in, put it in this tray, and then slide the tray in, whatever you want. And that's all there is to it. When you have your new SIM card in, just pop this back in all the way so it's flush, and your phone should be ready to go. If you do pop this out, make sure you don't lose this guy. The SIM card is fairly important because that's how you connect to cellular networks. So make sure it's in there. And if you want to make sure that your phone is scam-proof, this PDF document on your screen right now is what you want. Scan this QR code if you're watching on a TV, or click the link at the top of the description or in the pinned comment. It'll take you to the same place where you can download this completely for free. I made it for you. Scam-proof your phone right there. Super easy to do when you follow these steps. Then check out this video on your screen right now, which shows you how to find malware and viruses on your iPhone and then how to delete them if you do find them. Super important that you check that out, so make sure you do. If you got value from the video you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you on this one.